It really just brings such a smile to our team knowing that they're kind of bringing up this next generation of builders.
I have never been to a construction site before, but I've always wanted to go to one.
I didn't expect this much cool stuff. Going to different floors, seeing the different rooms, and seeing all the cabinets. It looks complicated, but the way that they're explaining it sounds cool. It's pretty special. I've never heard of most of them before.
I came in here thinking mostly that construction was a lot of hands-on, but I didn't really know a lot about where that hands-on was going. And I see a lot more now that the trades are a part of every step of the way. With MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, every part of that is always there. They're there every step of the way to make sure that everything is possible for the building.
I feel like people overlook that. It's a lot harder than what people would think. I get why it takes a lot of skill. It was really cool seeing all the different kinds of architectures and all the different kind of ways they build things here. Really interesting just to see how everything works. It would pay a lot because there's a lot of different branches into this job. Everyone needs to play a part for everything to come together.
Most people assume that the trades are working minimum wage like everyone else, but that is not true. From jobs you can get from $50 to $60 an hour. I think that's very impressive.
I think one thing that makes our team most excited about these kind of experiences, I knew when I was that age, I had no clue what I wanted to do. And I didn't have opportunities like this to get out on a job site or have a team come into my classroom and speak to me about what they do day in and day out for their careers. And so I think just showing students the various career paths and that there's no one right way to get into construction. And so just allowing to kind of help us build that pipeline of future engineers, future architects, future builders. And that's really what today's all about, and just allowing students to dream big.